Hey everyone, and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a trade-in that we just took in. This is a 2022 Harris 230 Sunliner Sport. This is a tri-tune, 23 foot in length. Starting up here at the bow, we do have this option with the flip-up cleats here and the docking lights. Got a nice spot here for fenders, so it's a fender clip system. You can easily put them in and take them out. This is also an option with the black paneling and then the black powdered fence coating railing right here, which looks great on this boat. Really ties into the sports tower that we have up top. And then walking back here to the stern, this does have the extended swim platform here with the safety railing. We'll go into more detail when we hop on board. And this is also powered by a 200 Mercury outboard. This is DTS, so you have digital throttle and shift. So plenty of power to do all your water sports. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting here on the stern of the boat. As you can see, we have a lot of room back here. This does have the rear facing lounger, so this does turn into a complete sun pad. We do have the safety railing right here so that you can have passengers ride back here underway. And right here we do have tons of storage underneath all the compartments. Got fenders, and this boat does come with a table. And right back here, this is an insulated cooler. We also have a 12 volt and then transom remote and spot to plug in the boat to keep those batteries charged. Walking inside, this does have the pillow top moonlight gray, which really ties into the flooring of the boat. We have the captain and co-captain seating here. High back seats, and both of these do swivel and adjust. And since this is a 230 Sunliner Sport, we do have the water sports tower. So we've got a spot up here to hook up if you want to do some wakeboarding, and then also back there for some tubing and skiing. All right, so taking a look at the helm here, we do have JL audio. So this does have upgraded sound on here. It's going to be great sound quality across the boat. Cup holder, place to charge your phone here. And then this is also option with a Simrad display screen. So this is a 7-inch screen. It's going to give you all your engine diagnostics, your chart plotting, navionics, very accessible at the helm. And this boat only has 15 hours on it, which is great. You can see throughout in the cup holders and underneath the seat bases, we do have the RGB lighting package on here as well. Got a tilt steering wheel, and then storage underneath the helm. And then maximizing the space with the tri-tune, we do have our in-floor storage as well. Tons of room right here in the center of the boat. And then when you make your way up to the bow, we have seating on either side, armrest. This boat's built for entertainment. So it's located here at our store in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, come on by or make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.